The 2019 Honda Pilot anti-theft system. I get why people ask about this. Honda owners want peace of mind while still getting their groceries, Because car theft may feel like something that happens to other people, right up until it doesn't. Honda wasn't messing around with this one. The Pilot comes with an Immobilizer System, which sounds like something that should be stopping supervillains. It prevents the engine from starting unless your programmed key fob is near. No key, no vroom. Say you lose your key fob or the battery dies, you will very quickly discover that the Pilot turns into a 4,200-pound paperweight. The immobilizer is programmed to throw an angry dashboard indicator light at you and refuses to crank up the engine. One pain point people hit is that the anti-theft system can sometimes get a little too ambitious. False alarms do happen. Kids bounce a ball off the hood, and suddenly you're apologizing to your neighbors, swearing you're not trying to hack your own car. The step-by-step on how it works is, you get in, step on the brake, and press start. If the computer doesn't sense your uniquely coded fob signal, it locks you out. Even the most dedicated thief is going to need magic powers or, your key. Now, if you trigger the system accidentally, the quick move is get out, close all doors, and lock and unlock it using your fob. This resets things. If that doesn't work, try holding the fob next to the start button and attempt again. Weirdly, this is in the manual. If your Pilot's anti-theft light is flashing and you can't start the car, don't panic just yet. It's usually your fob battery or maybe interference from another device. I've heard stories of people locking their fobs in the same bag with their laptop and suddenly nothing works. The impact numbers are real, though. According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, nearly 800,000 vehicles get stolen per year in the U.S. Honda's Immobilizer tech cuts down theft rates by double digits. The difference between losing your ride or just losing a lazy Sunday. There's an extra anti-theft bonus, the factory alarm system that's built into the Pilot. If somebody forces entry or tries to tow your car, the horn goes insane and lights start flashing. At 2 a.m., there's no way anyone is ignoring that drama. Pro tip, don't store your spare key inside your vehicle, even in one of those magnetic boxes. Thieves know all the hiding spots. Also, don't leave your windows cracked in summer. The system can't help you if someone just reaches in and presses the unlock button. If you buy a used 2019 Pilot and the anti-theft system is angry, chances are the previous owner lost a key or tried to program an aftermarket fob. Only get new keys from the dealership or an approved locksmith with Honda diagnostic tools. Messing this up is expensive, like hundreds of dollars expensive. And okay, there's always that guy who wants to know if you can just disable it. You probably could, with a lot of time and the right wiring diagrams. Wouldn't recommend it unless your idea of fun is tripping the system every time and paying to tow your own car. So, if you're looking for that 10-second hack to start your Pilot without the fob, nope. But if you're just hoping not to have your car disappear from the grocery store parking lot, Honda's anti-theft system is the best kind of paranoid friend you'll ever have.